Hi, I'm Professor Petty. You know the meaning of petty? It means pet.
Like, ako yung example.
Or at the back of me. At the back of him.
Kuya, ibilad mo muna sa bintana.
Ay, saka.
You know, how fat is that guy just now? Like this fat. Like this fatty guy. Fatty guy. Fatty guy. See how fat is this? He's like that. So fat like this guy. You know that? You know? Teach you something.
I'm a teacher. Okay. Security, come here. Security.